And we have Venkatji from Mysore Sandal, sir, Vikas Global, and also Anil Kumar Shahi from Shahi Masala, sir, from Lucknow, UP.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Ji, Venkat and
Good morning,
Anil ji.
everybody, and Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year. Wishing a very, very good Happy New Year too.
So we are live.
So, Namaskar, and my dear VLEs from the all over the country, from Kashmir से कन्याकुमारी तक, त्रिपुरा से गुजरात तक, and first of all, आप सभी को wish you a happy new year, and CSC ग्रामीण ईश्वर के तरफ से भी आप सभी को a happy and prosperous new year. And before starting आज का session, I would like to introduce the agenda. आज हमारा एजेंडा है 3 प्रोडक्ट ब्रांड्स हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. पहला ब्रांड है कश्मीर का पेंसिल, which is the brand is Buds Pencil from Jammu and Kashmir. Second brand is Shahi Masala, which is from UP. And the third brand is Mysore Sandal Soaps from Karnataka with the Vikas Global Solutions. So आज हमारे साथ है ये सभी कंपनियों का MD who are with us today. And first of all, I would like to congratulate for making 2020 drive. जो दिसंबर 20 में हम लोग भारत देश में हर एक स्टेट में ड्राइव कर दिए है, उसमें 2,50,000 तक ऑर्डर डिलीवरीज एक ही दिन में in a single day. 2.5 lakh deliveries is a remarkable achievement by all the VLEs. It is a great achievement. Congratulations to all of you. हमारा CSC state heads and also district managers, state teams, POCs, सभी के कोऑपरेशन की वजह से that has become a great milestone for CSC ग्रामीण ईस्ट. So congratulations for that. And आज का सेशन में एंड में हम लोग वो सेशन में हम लोग बताए कि जो भी VLE अच्छा काम करेगा, top 3 VLEs who have done more than 75,000 worth purchases from our partner and also more than 300 unique customer downloads and deliveries, we said we are going to give electric vehicles to them. So today is a great day. न्यू ईयर के दिन में हम लोग वो विनर्स को भी अनाउंस करेंगे, आप सभी को बताएंगे वो लोग who are those winners in this program. So first of all, welcome to all the participants. Our Dinesh Tyagi ji, MD CSC SPV, Anil Kumar Shahi ji, who is also MD for Emojin Solutions and also Shahi Masala brand, and also Narendra Sharma ji from Indian Pencil Company and Sri Shakti Stationers. And we also have Venkata Chalapati ji, DV Venkata Chalapati ji from Karnataka, Bangalore for Mysore Sandal and other range of products. So we welcome you, sir. And also I would like to welcome our state heads, Atulit Rai ji, Shahnawaz ji, and also SP Kulkarni ji from Karnataka. So let us first start our session with the Kashmir product. So I would ask my colleague Shahnawaz ji to speak a few words on the pencil and hand it over to our Narendra Sharma ji to speak few words about the pencil. Over to you, Shahnawaz ji.
Thank you, Raja ji. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy and prosperous Happy New Year. Good morning and warm welcome to our MD sir, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Tyagi ji, our Chief Operating Officer from CSC Gramin, Mr. Raja Kishore ji, Mr. Narendra ji, who is the MD from the Buds Pencil, Shiv Shakti Stationaries, Mr. Venkat ji from Shahi, from Mysore Sandal Soap, and Mr. Anil ji, who is looking after Shahi Masalas from UP, and our guests and VLEs who are watching us live on the Facebook for the launch ceremony of these 3 products. Today is the 1st January, and I think that this is the best day while we're launching these products. And I sincerely hope that the ideas and the views shared during this interaction will be will enhance the knowledge of our VLEs, of our DVLEs, and of our who are watching online this launch ceremony, and it will definitely give us true results in the future. About the pencils, as this, in fact, nobody knows actually the pencil, the wood from which we manufacture the pencils comes from Kashmir only. Only the wood, only the Kashmiri wood is specially designed for such things that we can make pencils from this this wood. And I was not having the knowledge of this thing, but once we came to know about this thing, I approached them. They were very supportive to us, and we have visited the factory and we have seen the cumbersome process how we make the pencils. It looks like like a small pencil, but it takes huge time to make one pencil. It takes almost 3 months to make one pencil from the factory. So I hope that Mr. Narendra ji will give us more brief about his journey, how he made the pencils and how he distributes it, how the brand goes on. So I would like to request Mr. Hello, can you hear me? I would like to request Mr. Ji. Hello. I would like to request Mr. Narendra Sharma ji to tell us brief about this thing. How was his journey about this factory, sir?
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous new year. I'm Narendra Sharma this side, MD Shiv Shakti Stationers, also called the Indian Pencil Company. I'm thankful to you for giving me the opportunity to present my organization before the esteemed audience today. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed guests present today. Dr. Dinesh Kumar Tyagi, MD CSC E-Governance Services India Limited. Mr. Raja Kishore, COO CSC E-Gramin. Mr. Shahnawaz Rashid, State Head J&K. And all the respective state heads as well as all the respected distributors of CSC E-Gramin and everyone who has joined us today in this meeting. We are a group of local entrepreneurs, and I can proudly say that we have set up a world-class facility for manufacture of wooden pencils in our own state of Jammu and Kashmir. Our pencil manufacturing unit is located in the rural area of Jammu and Kashmir. We employ hundreds of local villagers who have limited employment opportunities or almost no opportunity in that area. And our workforce, I can say with pride, consists of women to the extent of 50% in the factory. Today, we are one of the leading manufacturers of wooden pencils in India. Our facility is fully integrated and is capable of supplying pencils in any shape, color, or design. As our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, had recently addressed in his Mann Ki Baat program, highlighting the pencil industry of J&K and the wood procurement from Pulwama district, we take pride in calling ourselves a perfect example of the vocal for local initiative that he had highlighted. I say that because 100% of our raw material is being grown by the farmers of Kashmir and processed by various units in Pulwama. 100% of our supplies are locals from J&K. Giving due credit to our local talent and expertise, the products manufactured by us are recognized by world's top pencil manufacturers. To give a few names, world's finest stationery brands like Faber-Castell of Germany, Maped of France, ITC Classmate of India are being manufactured in our facility. Faber-Castell, a name all of you would be aware of, are known to be the pioneers in the pencil industry, and they came all the way from Germany to visit our plant. Visits of German quality team were also arranged in the deep interiors of Pulwama to get the Kashmir woods approved by them. This is the same district about which Prime Minister specifically mentioned. Thus, getting the pencils made in Kashmir approved and highlighted in the international market some 4 years back. They not only approved our manufacturing facility, Germans, but also endorsed the pencil to be at par with the German standards. Now, coming to our product, the Kashmir Craft Pencils. Under the Vocal for Local initiative, we are planning to launch our indigenous Kashmir Craft Pencils all across India. To give you a brief about the product, the pencils are made with the softwood from Kashmir, grown locally by our farmers of Kashmir and further processed by various units located in Pulwama. This is the best softwood and is highly suited for the excellent quality of pencils because of the moisture content available in the valley. The quality of Buds Kashmir Craft Pencil is at par with Faber-Castell and even better than the leading brands of pencils available in India. The weather conditions of J&K also provide a perfect symbiosis for the pencil manufacturing process. We find this CSC e-store a perfect vehicle for promotion of our world-class local products. We intend to utilize this e-Gramin store model for exclusive launch of our Kashmir Craft Pencils. As such, initially these pencils will be available only through these e-Grameen stores. These stores will cater to the small stationery shops around as well. We tend to add more variants of pencils through this model in future, and we are looking forward to be associated with the CSC e-Grameen and wishing you all the very best today. Thanking you, best of wishes again, and happy new year to all again. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Narendra Sharma ji. It was congratulations for all the effort you have done in Jammu and Kashmir, and we are very happy to know because आज हमारा program गांव-गांव में all over the country they are watching it, and e-store is a perfect distribution platform for taking vocal for local products to हर एक village, हर एक ग्राम पंचायत में आपका पेंसिल पहुंचेगा, and we hope that हर हिंदुस्तानी will write with Buds brand pencil of Kashmiri craft. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Rajesh.
So we
Thank
wish it will be a long-term relationship with us, and thank you very much. Now we will move to our next product brand, which is Shahi Masala. So I would request our state head to speak few words and hand it over to Anil Kumar Shahi. Yeah, Atlit ji, over to you.
नए साल पे आज जो सीएससी की जो मुहिम है उसमें सभी बंधुओं को नए वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं, और मैं अपने एमडी डॉक्टर दिनेश कुमार त्यागी जी और यूपी स्टेट हेड सीएससी के अतुलित राय जी और सीईओ राजा किशोर जी और समस्त एंटरप्रेन्योरगण जो इस मुहिम से जुड़े हुए हैं विलेज लेवल के, उन सभी को मैं आज नव वर्ष की शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और डॉक्टर त्यागी जिन्होंने इस मुहिम को बड़े अच्छे तरीके से चलाया, सीएससी को, जो आज जिस प्लेटफॉर्म से हम लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, मैं उनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि उन्होंने बड़ी अथक मेहनत परिश्रम के साथ इस मुहिम को आगे भारत में बढ़ाया। और आज हम लोग के जैसे हम लोग जूझ रहे थे, जो लोकल कंपनीज हैं उनके सामने जो बड़ी समस्या थी कि हम लोग जो अपने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क को आगे कैसे बढ़ाएं। जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं उनके लिए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है उनको आगे जाने में बड़ी दिक्कत है। इस मुहिम को बढ़ाने के लिए आज हम लोगों को जोड़ा गया है। मैं स्पेशली थैंकफुल हूँ डॉक्टर अतुलित राय का, जिन्होंने ये मौका दिया कि हम इस सीएससी प्रोग्राम से जुड़ करके अपने प्रोडक्ट को देश के कोने तक पहुंचा सके। वैसे हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी मेहनत करी है। हमारे नेटवर्क कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक और आसाम से लेकर के गुजरात तक फैले हुए हैं, लेकिन वो बहुत थोड़े मात्रा में, करीब 125 करीब आसपास हमारे डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं। लेकिन सीएससी के प्लेटफॉर्म से हमें पूरे देश में हर ग्रामीण क्षेत्र में भी पहुंचने का मौका मिलेगा। इसके लिए मैं सीएससी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं। और आगे अब कैसा रिजल्ट होगा, अब ये तो सीएससी के ऊपर है और हमारे प्रोडक्ट की क्वालिटी के ऊपर है। हम लोगों ने 3 साल पहले इस शाही मसाले का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शुरू किया था। बेसिकली थोड़ा सा मैं पीछे अपने बैकग्राउंड में जाना चाहूंगा। मेरा जो प्रोफाइल रहा है, मैं एक फैक्ट्री का एचआर हेड था और मैंने 25 साल जो है नौकरी करी। नौकरी के दौरान जो है मैक्सिमम जो मैं इंटरेक्ट करता था लोगों से, वो जॉब के लिए होता था। रोज 200 से 250 लोग जो है जॉब मांगने के लिए मेरे पास आते थे, लेकिन मैं उसमें से जो महिलाएं थी उनको मैं जॉब नहीं दे पाता। ये बात मेरे को जो है हमेशा जो है खलती रहती थी कि क्या महिलाओं को भी रोजगार दिया जा सकता है। मेरे वहां से नौकरी छोड़ने के बाद जो पहला कदम मैंने उठाया कि क्या महिलाओं को रोजगार देने के लिए कौन सी इंडस्ट्री जो है बेहतर होगी, तो हमने चुनाव किया कि भाई मसाले बनाने वाली इंडस्ट्री में महिलाओं को बेहतर रोजगार दिया जा सकता है, उनके स्किल को डेवलप किया जा सकता है और इस काम को किया जा सकता है। मैंने देखा अपने 3 साल के अनुभव में कि सारी महिलाएं मेरे यहाँ ज्यादातर काम करती हैं, और वो सारी महिलाएं आज ग्राइंडिंग वर्क भी करती हैं, सीलिंग वर्क भी कर लेती है, मिक्सिंग वर्क भी कर लेती है, और जो सोफिस्टिकेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी है जो पैकेजिंग का, वो भी मशीन चलाती हैं। जो कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड जो हमारी बैच कोडिंग, जो एमआरपी वो डालते हैं, वो सब भी कोडिंग कर लेती है, जबकि पढ़ी लिखी नहीं है। तो भारत में ये देखा गया कि जो भी इंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, जो भी बड़े बड़े फैक्ट्रियां हैं, जो बड़े बड़े उद्योगपति हैं, उनका तो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट का कंसेप्ट रहता है, लेकिन कभी भी एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन का कंसेप्ट नहीं रहता। तो हमारी कंपनी का जो मुख्य उद्देश्य है वो रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं है, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी नहीं है। हम लोग ये चाहते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा से लोगों को जोड़ करके उनको एम्प्लॉयमेंट दिया जा सके। और इस मुहिम में हमने महिलाओं को चुना है क्योंकि असहाय हैं, गरीब हैं, उनको कोई पूछता नहीं है, उनके लिए कोई एम्प्लॉयमेंट की बहुत सारी व्यवस्था नहीं है, कोई ऑर्गेनाइज वे में जो है कोई इस तरह की व्यवस्था नहीं है। तो इस मुहिम में जुड़ करके महिलाएं हमारे साथ देती है और हम लोगों ने अच्छा प्रोग्रेस किया है 3 सालों में। बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां जो हमारी कंपटीटर हैं, एमडीएच है, एवरेस्ट है, गोल्डी है, उनके पास तो रिसोर्सेज बहुत है। उनके भी जो है 2500-3000 करीब डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है ऑल इंडिया में। एवरेस्ट के 3000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, गोल्डी के भी 3000 है, एमडीएच के भी 3000 है। लेकिन यदि सीएससी का प्लेटफॉर्म हमको मिलता है तो 3,90,000 करीब आसपास वीएलई हैं हमारे इसमें नेटवर्क में। उसमें से यदि 50% भी वीएलई हमारे लिए काम करते हैं तो ये हमारे लिए बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट होगा। मैं इसके लिए सीएससी को धन्यवाद देता हूं और स्पेशली डॉक्टर त्यागी, डॉक्टर अतुलित राय और डॉक्टर राजा किशोर को, जिन्होंने मौका दिया है हमको आगे बढ़ने के लिए। हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट है वो बड़े स्पेशल है। हम लोगों ने बड़े उसको क्वालिटी का बड़ा ध्यान रखा है और प्राइस का भी ध्यान रखा है कि हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट हो वो मार्केट प्राइस से जो है कम हो और क्वालिटी में जो है एमडीएच और एवरेस्ट से बेहतर। और इसी आधार पे हमारे प्रोडक्ट धीरे धीरे मार्केट में बढ़ रहे हैं और हम लोगों ने इसकी पैकेजिंग, डिजाइनिंग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया है। टॉप लेवल प्रोफेशनल्स को हायर करके हम लोगों ने किया है और जो प्रोडक्ट की हमारी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस है, जो फॉर्मुलेशन है, उसमें हमने भारत सरकार की जो CFTRI है, सेंट्रल फूड टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, उसका सहयोग लिया और हमारे कंसल्टेंट हैं डॉक्टर अनिरुद्ध सिंह, जो खुद ही फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट हैं, उनका सहयोग लिया हम लोगों ने और इस प्रोडक्ट को डेवलप किया है। तो वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोडक्ट है हम लोगों का, लेकिन हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज कम है, जिसके वजह से हम लोग जो है जल्दी से फैल नहीं पाए। लेकिन यदि सीएससी का ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमको मिलता है तो हमारे प्रोडक्ट का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क बहुत आसानी से मिल जाएगा और लोकल फॉर वोकल जो कंसेप्ट है भारत सरकार का, अपने प्रधानमंत्री का, उसका एक मिसाल जो है हम लोग कायम होंगे। बाकी तो और भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं, उनको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, लेकिन जो रिसोर्सलेस हैं ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हेल्प करना, ऐसे सीएससी के जो एफर्ट है, मैं इसके लिए बहुत बहुत लाख लाख धन्यवाद देता हूं। और मैं चाहूंगा कि ऐसे जो लोकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिनके पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, उनको जो है सीएससी जो है अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पर ले आए और मौका दे डेवलप करने का, माल को जो है गांव तक पहुंचाने का। और एक बहुत अच्छा मौका है। मैं आज इतना हैप्पी हूं कि नए वर्ष में सीएससी ने जो मौका दिया हम लोगों को, उससे जो है मेरे प्रोडक्ट की जो है पहुंच भारत के हर कोने में हो सकती है। क्योंकि मैं इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क तो सर मैं नहीं बना पाता। मैं करोड़ों अरबों रुपया खर्च करके भी जो सीएससी का जो नेटवर्क है इतना बड़ा, उसको जो है कभी भी जो है कोई बना नहीं सकता है, चाहे वो कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, वो नहीं कर सकता है। तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है और ये मील का पत्थर साबित होगा हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए और उन महिलाओं के लिए। और मैं जानता हूं कि आने वाले समय में मैं कम से कम जो है 10 से 20 हजार महिलाओं को रोजगार दे पाऊंगा आपके माध्यम से। तो इसी के साथ मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि मेरे कुछ प्रोडक्ट हैं जिनको मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूं। पैकेजिंग हमारी बहुत अच्छी है, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है। जैसे हल्दी है, जैसे हल्दी सभी लोग उपयोग करते हैं। मनुष्य को 3 चीजों की जरूरत पड़ती है जब पैदा होता है। एक तो हवा, दूसरा पानी और तीसरा जो है भोजन। यदि हवा आपको न मिले तो तुरंत डेथ हो जाएगी आपकी। पानी नहीं मिले तो आप 2 हफ्ते 3 हफ्ते तक रख सकते हैं। भोजन न मिले तो महीने 1.5 महीने रह सकते हैं। भोजन में ये जब लॉकडाउन हुआ है तब लोगों को पता चल गया कि भोजन का महत्व कितना है। क्योंकि हमारे सीएससी के जो वॉलंटियर्स हैं, जो वेली जो इंटरप्रेन्योर है, उन्होंने बहुत मेहनत करी, गांव तक राशन को पहुंचाया जहां लोग की पहुंच नहीं थी। ये सबसे बड़ा काम सीएससी ने किया है भारत में। तो उससे पता चलता है कि सीएससी जो है कितना कारगर हो सकता है कि किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को रूरल एरिया तक, ग्रामीण क्षेत्र तक, जन जन तक पहुंचाने के लिए और आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए ये सबसे बड़ा कदम है भारत के लिए। कि जो आज हम अन्य देशों पे, चाइना पे, उन पे प्रोडक्ट पे डिपेंडेंट थे, शायद सीएससी की ये मुहिम उस डिपेंडेंसी को कम करेगी और आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए भारत के विश्व सहयोग में बहुत बड़ा एक कदम होगा सीएससी का। मैं डॉक्टर त्यागी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं कि इनकी मेहनत आज रंग ला रही है और आने वाले समय में रंग लाएगी। और डॉक्टर राय, अतुलित राय जी का कि जिन्होंने हमको मौका दिया, और डॉक्टर राजा किशोर जी का जिन्होंने हमको जो है ये मौका दिया है। हमारे जो प्रोडक्ट है, जैसे आप हल्दी ले लें, हम लोग जो सेलम की हल्दी पीसते हैं। मार्केट में बहुत सारी हल्दी हैं, आपको सस्ते दामों पर भी मिल जाएंगी, लेकिन जो हमारी हल्दी होती है उसमें करकुमिन की मात्रा जो है 3.5 होती है, 3 से 3.5 होती है। बाकी की करकुमिन की देखेंगे तो उनका करीब 1% होता है, 1.5% होता है। तो क्वालिटी मैटर्स, और वो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे जन जन तक पहुंचे, कम पैसे में पहुंचे, क्योंकि हम लोग जो है अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे अपने जो है जनमानस को देना चाहते हैं ये प्रोडक्ट। और उससे क्या होगा कि उनको क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, उनको जो है एडल्ट्रेटेड प्रोडक्ट खाने की जरूरत नहीं है। उसी तरह मिर्चे का सबसे ज्यादा जो आप देखेंगे मार्केट में, तो सबसे ज्यादा मिलावट होती है वो मिर्चे में, हल्दी में और धनिया में होती है। ये टोटल जो खाने की चीजें हैं मसाले का, उसका 25% मार्केट शेयर होल्ड करता है, और सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए लोग करते हैं। तो प्रॉफिट और ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है हमारा। हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट एफोर्डेबल प्राइस पे जन जन तक पहुंचे, और उस मुहिम में जो सीएससी ने साथ दिया है, मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूं। और ज्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहता, है ना, बाकी जो हमारे प्रोडक्ट तो जो है पहुंचेंगे ही। तो इसी के साथ मैं वाणी को विराम देता हूं।
थैंक यू अनिल कुमार जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। एंड इनफैक्ट हम आपका प्रोडक्ट अंडमान निकोबार भी लेके जाएंगे। सो नॉट ओनली इंडिया, ऑलरेडी हम लोग हमारा प्रोडक्ट पहुंच गए अंडमान निकोबार, एंड उधर
पहुंच
भी
जाएगा सर, सीएससी के माध्यम से तो ये पहुंच जाएगा, ये 100% मैं श्योर हूं। आज से इसकी शुरुआत हो गई है, इसके लिए मैं लाख लाख धन्यवाद देता हूं आप लोगों को कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो है उपलब्ध कराया आप लोगों ने, और इसके लिए मैं जो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं सर आपको।
थैंक यू सर। अतुलित जी, वेरी क्विक वर्ड फ्रॉम यू।
थैंक यू राजा जी, और नूतन वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को। आज इतने कंपनीज के एमडीज से मुलाकात हो रही है इस मंच पे। तो जैसा हमारे एमडी सर कहते हैं कि हमारे वीएलईज जो है, हमारे वीएलईज नहीं है, दे आर एमडी इन देमसेल्व्स। क्योंकि वो जो सीएससी सेंटर चलाते हैं, वो उसमें इतनी सारी चीजें करते हैं, इतना सारा मैनेजमेंट हैंडल करते हैं कि वो खुद में एमडी हैं। तो हम अपने सीएससी जितने जो हमारे एमडीज देख रहे हैं, उनको भी नूतन वर्ष की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और जो ये वोकल फॉर लोकल का एक इनिशिएटिव हमारी भारत सरकार का है, उसके अंतर्गत हम ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जहाँ पे कि हम एम्प्लॉयमेंट को बढ़ावा दे रहे हैं, और लोकल लेवल पे, जैसा कि अनिल जी ने बहुत सही चीज का एक पॉइंट आउट किया कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नेटवर्क अगर नहीं है किसी के पास, और उसे किसी भी प्रकार की अगर कोई सहायता चाहिए, तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ सीएससी नेटवर्क से पॉसिबल है, और किसी नेटवर्क से पॉसिबल वो होना मुश्किल है। प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं पुनः आप सब लोगों को एक बार धन्यवाद देता हूं, और नूतन वर्ष की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को। ओवर टू यू राजा भाई।
Thank you, Atulit ji. And let us now move forward to Karnataka. And I request our state head, Sri Kulkarni sir, to speak a few words and hand it over to Venkata Chalpat ji, MD Vikas Global. Kulkarni sir, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Very good morning to all of you, sir. It's a very happy occasion for us to meet today. And from Karnataka, we are introducing a world-class product, which is already in demand throughout the world. Yeah, I'm very much thankful to Tagisa for giving us this opportunity of associating with Vikas Global, who are the brand leaders in this market segment, and they are our wholesale distributors for the entire South Asia. Mysore Sandal Soap is a household name in Karnataka as well as in India, and most of them prefer Mysore Sandal Soap only. So we were very anxious to associate with Vikas Global, and I should thank our MD sir for giving us this opportunity of associating with them. Mysore Sandal, as the name suggests, was introduced by the Mysore Maharaja, and the pioneer for it was Sir M. Vishweshwaraya. They wanted to start a government company wherein quality product was available to the people at very attractive prices. And this company was started by the Mysore Maharaja under the chairmanship of Sir M. Vishweshwaraya, and today it has grown as a world-known best-class company. And not only Mysore sandal, but there are other products also which the government of Karnataka is marketing. For example, Safal is one of the oils that we are marketing, and Safal from Karnataka government, that is the best quality oil that is available in the market. And Vikas Global Solutions are also the wholesale dealers and wholesale authorized persons for that sale also. And we are shortly introducing more products. Along with that, we have Nandini products, which are worldwide, and most of the ghee from Karnataka goes to Tirupati for making of Tirupati laddus, and all the laddus that are being given throughout the world from Tirupati, the ghee comes from Karnataka, and most of them is being sold through Vikas Global. So I should thank very much our MD Saab as well as our Venkatachalvi Saab for giving us this opportunity of associating with them, and I feel that we can go a very long way with Vikas Global Solutions and with CSC in marketing these products. Thank you, sir. Mr. Venkatachalvi will speak to you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Kulkarni sir. Over to you, Venkatachalamurthy sir.
Good morning to you, sir. Good morning to you all. It's a real pleasure to be having with you today, and being New Year, happy to all of you. So very happy to associate with CSC now. We were discussing from last 6 months what are the opportunities exist between CSC and us. What may be the gravity of wavelengths where we can work with us. I was trying to understand there's a few meetings held between Kulkarni Saab and your teams from Bengaluru. What may be the possibilities we can work together and see to the reached where there is an unreached people across the state, especially state of Karnataka is concerned. We are purely a strong technology-driven company, sir, having representing. As Mr. Kulkarni sir was mentioning, I represent Mysore Sandal, which has got 104 years history, and this is the only state where the sandalwood is grown and the soaps are made up of pure sandalwood. And this soaps are distributed across not less than 123 countries in the world. Such a legacy brand we are representing exclusively online, and it can be go through across the state country also in the next stages once we pick up. That is part of the one subject. And as far the products are concerned, Mysore Sandal has got some 60 variant of products, including now the latest pandemic sanitizers also been introduced. And in Karnataka, Mysore Sandal is the second largest selling brand as far as it is competing with Hindustan Unilever, to the biggest brands are concerned. It's very untold, unsung story of this legacy brand. So the company's turnover is, I think, around 845 crores they do in a year in the just soaps alone. So we are very proud to represent this brand as an exclusive basis, and we would like to extend all our support and services to CSC to work together as a partnership and ensure that the main bottlenecks we're trying to solve is the logistics, and the product should be reached to all the VLEs in time across the state. Whatever 7,500 VLEs, active VLEs in Karnataka state. Once we do that, I think we are satisfying what is supposed to be the actual services. And as far the pricing is concerned, compared to the market prices, the brand is the best brand, and we are cheaper than compared to any of the other brands and most accepted brands. In South India, it's a legacy brand. Let's take it forward and make it a success. And also we represent the cooperative brands like Nandini. It is the second largest brand next to Amul, and we are also representing a legacy brand, Camco chocolates. That also we can introduce. We can compete with the Cadbury's and others with best of the quality. And of course, as Sir was mentioning, there's a supple, oils and seeds, groundnut, FMCG segment also we can introduce phase-wise manner. This is my view, sir. If anything, we would like to take your suggestions and see how to strengthen this delivery networks and make it successful.
Thank you, Venkata Chalapati ji. Thanks, and nice to hear about the Mysore Sandal soap and your company and the products which we plan to take it across the country. We'll start with Karnataka initially, and we hope to expand to all over the country with Mysore Sandal soap. So let us now go to our next segment where our MD sir will be speaking on these associations and partnerships, what we are doing. And even one of the important parameters is vocal for local is one of the foundation for CSC Grameen e-store. So over to you, sir. Tyagi sir, please address us, sir.
Thank you, Rajkishore, and thank you for organizing this on today, especially the New Year Day. So at the outset, I must all the people who have joined, all our VLEs, and all the partners who have joined, wish them a very, very happy New Year. See, it's the first time we have been working for CSC for a long time. I think it's the first year in which a New Year is being celebrated by launching a product. Otherwise, New Years are normally celebrated by shaking hands with each other. How are you? Good wishes. I think first time we are doing it. And I hope that the journey will be good and comfortable to each of the partners who are doing it. First of all, we are thankful to the नरेंद्र जी who is launching जो आज ये प्रोडक्ट जो हमारा पेंसिल वाला है बहुत अच्छा है ये तो पेंसिल वाला प्रोडक्ट which is from Kashmir we didn't know it हमें पता भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर की मन की बात से पता लगा हमें वहीं से क्लू मिला and then we sent our team to your factory तो वहीं से लेकर के हमने देखा गांव में भी बच्चों को पेंसिल चाहिए शायद वो क्वालिटी वाली पेंसिल नहीं मिलती होगी तो हमने सोचा कि हम भी वो काम में हर एक बच्चे को ये बर्ड्स की पेंसिल जो क्वालिटी है जो कि जैसे कि आपने बताया कि इस क्वालिटी इज नॉट ओनली नेशनली बट आल्सो इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड उस क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट को हम दे पाएंगे तो थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस और हमें उम्मीद है कि हमारे जितने भी वीएलई हैं सारे देश में वो बच्चों को छोटे बच्चों को हमारे बच्चे स्कूलों के साथ भी काम करते हैं कुछ पढ़ाई का प्रोग्राम क्योंकि एजुकेशन हमारा फाउंडेशन है तो उसी के बेसिस पे उनके साथ खुद भी बच्चे हैं और वो खुद बच्चों को जाकर के सपोर्ट कर पाएंगे तो आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया एंड आई एम श्योर दिस विल बी अ ग्रेट स्टोरी फॉर अस टू make inroads into that segment which was hitherto not covered by us we were actually covering other segments of society but not the children doing this so then one part of the story for children pencils can be a great story then of course grateful to you and hope that our entrepreneurs will try and meet your expectations in that sense. Then the Shahi Masala, thank you Ji, thank you very much for participating and doing this part along with us. And you understood very well. You yourself are an entrepreneur. You knows how to try and take it forward. I hope you will meet expectations of our entrepreneurs who will have to deliver not only quality, but also timely and also ensure that it assimilates culturally also with them. So all these aspects, once you take care of them, they'll be meeting your expectations from us. Some of them are too good. And in any case, 50,000 of them are women. They are, and centers are operated by 50,000 women. बहुत अच्छी है महिलाएं. They're too good. The society respects them. They build an image for themselves. See, our entrepreneurs are largely social entrepreneurs because of the sense that they deliver services. So the community recognize them very well. And they live in the same community. So they're not outsider from somewhere. They live in that community. The essence is that they are part and parcel of the same community in which they serve their society. So their acceptance is very high. Their credibility is high. So once you give the quality product and they build a confidence, people will listen to them. Then they can replace an existing product with a new product provided they're convinced. And of course, they're entrepreneurs, so they need to have a margin. They will not do charity. So if they find that there is a good margin available, they can replace any pencil or any shahi masala with any other masala. Quality and the incentive for the entrepreneur drives what he can try and do advocacy for the product. So that is the essence of what will happen. Venkatji's soaps are known, and thank you, Ji, for Mysore soaps. Mysore soaps are known all over, and I'm sure not only Karnataka, let's take it all over the country and do that part of the work. All the three partners who are today joined, my request is to understand and appreciate the nuances in which the entrepreneur works in our CSC ecosystem. That will be very, very important. And we do it, we have been associated with them for a long time. So just telling them, saying you sell this, probably is not the only way to try and propagate. You need to try and package it very well. And you also have to have a long-term story. Suddenly, you can't have a story of making money very shortly, immediately. That is not possible. And all good businesses derive a long-term story, saying, look, I will package it, but I will capture the market and then try and cover that part of the story of doing it. So your margins has to be lower. The incentive to the entrepreneur has to be very high. And then only he'll be able to propagate. Once he builds that brand and the confidence together, then the journey is safe for a longer period of time. So please take a long-term view and don't take a short-term view. Don't do quarter to quarter or month to month review. But I think stories around. We do packaging where in our own system also, we also package that we will give you this, plus we will give you Mysore sandal soap, or we will give you with this plus one packet of pencils together. So we also do packaging with them, which incentivizes basically for them selling products, and they also feel very happy. End of the day, the entrepreneur has to have confidence that he can, what he is doing is actually enable him to enhance his income. If he doesn't build that confidence that it's not able to enhance his income, he will still keep on thinking ups and downs. He might do once, but second time he will not come back to you. That is the problem. So therefore, you need to understand the nuances of the CSCs and nuances in which they work out. The Grameen store, which is the CSC's Grameen store, it's a hyper-local loop for selling. And it's an amazing store. It's basically local people selling local goods through using technology. So in the urban areas, people use large service providers, many of these e-commerce portals. But in rural areas, these e-commerce service providers are not able to sell. So we are actually replacing that part of the segment to Grameen, that even a rural customer can place online order, and the entrepreneur who is there will be able to service him and service him in multifarious activities. The objective is, of course, whatever a rural customer needs, our Grameen store should be able to supply him, both in consumables and other part of the services which he requires. And we almost do everything possible for the citizen. वही हमारा उद्देश्य है कि गांव में रहने वाले हर इंसान को कहीं दूर ना जाना पड़े, उसके घर के पास ही उसको सारी सुविधाएं मिल जाए. दैट इज द कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव. उस सर्विसेज में तो सरकारी सर्विसेज हैं, बैंकिंग, इंश्योरेंस, पेंशन, एजुकेशन, वो हम करते ही हैं. But products is through the Grameen store, and the product is largely to try and saying, and why not do products also online, enable rural customers to access the same product. तो बहुत अच्छा है. और होपफुली आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट रहेगा कि आप भी थोड़ा पैकेजिंग करना, थोड़ा इंसेंटिव करना, एंड मे बी 1 week celebration only for Mysore sandal soap with some more incentive added, or maybe only pencils being sold during school time, when the schools are open, saying, and now I will do a discount. If you buy 10 bags, I will give 1 bag free. Something of that nature need to be worked out. So that is very essential. Marketing in that area works in that fashion. You are, of course, an expert in marketing, but our system understands the incentive mechanism and the opportunities which are available to them. The Shahi Masalas, even the marriage ceremony, wherever there are marriages taking place, at time masalas may be required. You may also look, and we will also give a feedback of what is required. What is required from rural India? If there is something of that nature, we will pass on to you. That your product may be tuned to this fashion, or maybe pencil may not be this much, maybe made smaller. I don't know. If there is a requirement of that nature, you might look into this. For Shahi Masala, if there is half kg, can it make 200 grams or 100 grams? They will tell you the requirements which is sellable in the local market in that fashion. And it may not be same and uniform all over. बहुत vary करेगा because culturally country is so diverse. So you won't be able to sell the same product all over in the same fashion. You will get diversity. You will get the appreciation of the product differently in different areas. See, we were surprised when Unibake cookies were sold in Nagaland. I never thought a Nagaland guy will buy cookies of Unibake. Unibake is producing cookies in Bangalore, and they got sold in Nagaland. Somebody in Andaman bought something of that nature. So there are amazing part, but there are, see, you will find these variations, and all entrepreneurs are not same. All entrepreneurs cannot be same. It is very difficult in such a diverse field that all entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship is a basic. Some people have inherent skills. Some people have risk-taking ability a little higher. Those who have ability to take a risk grow fast and become a big entrepreneur. So we have all segments of them. Some are less risky, some are middle type, and some are very high risky. So we'll have all segments of the entrepreneurs exist in CSC ecosystem. और आपको सबके साथ उसी तरह का हमारा व्यवहार रहता है. हम तो उन्हीं की मदद भी करते हैं. And today we are awarding some of them. We do like this. We do the programs. We start 2020. Raja mentioned 4 days. We said those who do maximum sales with some benchmark will get an e-bike free. So today I think 3 people have got entire country. 3 people in those 5 days sold maximum number of product and above a benchmark. So we give an e-bike free to them. So we ourselves do it. You also need to incentivize in similar fashion in order to try and create value for your product. So you need to work out. We will help our team. Raja will try and help you. How do we package? Can we package with something else? Can the pencil be packaged with somebody else? Can the soap can also be packaged with somebody else? Can the washing machine and the soap packet can go together? I don't know. Or something of that nature. Something Shahi Masala can be sold through some of these Britannia or some of these Nestle products which you are going to launch very soon. So you can even work out together and do that part of the story for them to try and sell to the entrepreneurs. We have distributors. We have distributors now. We have the distributor VLE and we have the VLE who will send the customers. So we created the distributor network for those who do not have distributor. तो आप लोगों की मदद करेंगे लेकिन आप हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर का ध्यान रखना. उसकी he is the key. If you don't look after him very well, फिर sustain नहीं होगा, फिर long time story नहीं होगी. It is only short time, one time we can push through, but second time will happen only when आपका product बिकेगा वो customer कराएगा. Customer will have to find value in it. Customer have to find recognize competitive advantage in it. ये दूसरी चीजों से ज्यादा अच्छा है, सस्ता है और valuable है, and then he find. So that the customer. उसको encourage करने के लिए to experiment the customer and build confidence, entrepreneur will do that part of the work. An exciting entrepreneur, we will do it along with you, some part of the story in building so that the confidence build it. The Grameen e-store is vocal for local. It's for Atmanirbhar Bharat. And some of the products, some of these ladies were making jalebis and samosas and selling in Grameen e-store. You'll be surprised. So even that is a story. That is a story because we tell them some are buying kitchen vegetables, kitchen garden vegetables and selling them across during the COVID time. The COVID time when people couldn't go outside, जब लोग नहीं जा पाते थे तो ये ग्रामीण स्टोर ने उनकी मदद की और ऑनलाइन सिखाया. हम लोग ऑनलाइन सिखा रहे हैं. ऑनलाइन इज 6 करोड़ लोगों को सारे देश में डिजिटल लिटरेट बना रहे हैं. 6 करोड़ फैमिलीज आर बीइंग डन. 3 करोड़ हमने किया है. उन लोगों को हम सिखाते हैं कि ऑनलाइन कैसे ऑर्डर प्लेस किया जाता है. कोई अपने आप करेगा गांव में थोड़ा वक्त लगता है, बट आई थिंक वी डू दैट, हेल्प देम सो दैट दे बिल्ड कॉन्फिडेंस एंड दे कैन प्लेस ऑर्डर लोकली विद द कस्टमर. क्योंकि वो लोकल एंटरप्रेन्योर है तो कोई रिलेशन में ज्यादा लोन है, बट इट्स अ बिग ई कॉमर्स पोर्टल. फिर उनको थोड़ा खतरा लगता है, पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा, व्हाट विल हैपन टू इट. एंड इफ देयर इज अ लोकल गाय हु इज देयर ई कॉमर्स पोर्टल एंड प्लेटफॉर्म, दैट बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर देम. तो हमें तो बहुत खुशी है और वी होप दैट आप लोगों का जो कॉन्फिडेंस है, आप लोगों की जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर जो आज हमें सुन रहे हैं और जो बाद में कुछ देखेंगे ये प्रोग्राम को, दे विल बी एबल टू ट्राई एंड अप्रिशिएट एंड दे विल आल्सो ट्राई एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट. थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, बट वंस दे बिल्ड द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड वंस दे फील द इंसेंटिव, देन द स्टोरी, देन यू विल नॉट हैव टू लुक बैक, देन द स्टोरी इज वेरी बिग. तो पहले तो आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया and thank you very much, and thank you all the VLEs who have joined today. And this new year, let's do with the revenge for COVID. जो COVID ने जितना नुकसान किया है सब बदला लेना है इस साल. तो अगर पहले X था तो अब 2X करके खरीदना है. And that's what we have to do. So all of us will take a revenge against 2020 and try and build a good sustainable border in 2021. And our team is very excited. और हमारे partners हैं, ये भी थोड़ी मदद करेंगे, and hopefully we will be able to try and fulfill the larger ambition of the government and also of Honorable Prime Minister of creating vocal for local and creating an Atmanirbhar Bharat. That is the story for Grameen Store. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sagi sir. And as mentioned, सभी लोग मैसूर सैंडल से स्नान करके शाही मसाला का बिरयानी खा के एंड बर्ड्स पेंसिल का अच्छा पोएट्री लिखना चाहिए. So this is the today's program. So let us move forward to the next segment where we will be launching our winners and also launch of these products with your permission, sir.
Yeah, sure. Good.
So every Indian should be writing with a pencil of
Kashmir pencil. That is very good and amazing. Narendra ji, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
and Mysore sandal soap, sir.
Good. Venkat ji, very good. Very good. All the government servant in Government of India, Delhi will use Mysore sandal soap now.
Yes, sir.
Clean them, everybody.
Yeah, Shahi masala, sir. Actually, they are looking tasty in the photograph itself.
Very good. I think very good. Very good. सारे CSC के employees should use, all the CSC 2000 employees should use Shahi masala and give the feedback.
Yes, sir.
पहले खुद खाते हैं, फिर दूसरों को खिलाते हैं. Okay, you buy everything. You buy all of them.
Right, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very
We'll
much.
go to winner contest, sir, and let us.
All the three people are there. Have you invited them?
No, sir. They are not. They'll be.
No, invited.
Yes.
We can invite them some other function in and
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can announce the winners.
And Ramya Kant Nayak from Odisha, sir. He has done 3 unique customer downloads and orders, and also 1.24 lakh purchases sale from our partner
Very good.
companies.
Congratulations. Congratulations. And Odisha team.
So I would like to thank Swarna and all the spokes of Odisha, DMs and all for this achievement, sir.
Good. Very
Now
good.
we'll move to second. The second winner is from Nagaland, sir. We are happy that Northeast state से एक winner आया है, and Thomas Rolnu from Nagaland.
Very
And
good.
he has
Very good.
319 unique customers and 1.23 lakh sale. And congratulations to Thomas and also Nagaland DM and also Gyan and also Mr. Mohanan from Northeast team, sir, for this achievement. All the DMs.
Very nice.
Congratulations.
Very good.
And Hema Soni from Chhattisgarh, sir, he has done 2,767 unique customer downloads and orders, sir. He has done a great job, and in fact, congratulations to Hemant Soni, Chhattisgarh, and also State Head Madan Mohan Rawat, Shashank, and also all the district managers who have worked on this, sir.
Very good.
Congratulations.
Very good. Well done. Well done.
So,
These are models for other entrepreneurs to see. See, you also have a chance to win next time and try and look at these guys. We'll share the numbers and we'll share the stories. We'll bring them a platform and others to listen to the stories, why they did, how they did that. Okay. So we can
right, sir.
examples for this. Yeah, sure.
So, with this, we conclude this session. Thank you, Narendra ji, and also Anil Kumar ji, and also Venkatachalapati ji, all our state heads, Atulit ji, Kulkarni ji, Shanawaz ji, and all the VLEs who are watching this. I wish you a very happy new year, and 2021 CSC Grameen e-store is going to become very big, and with all your support, cooperation, and all the distributor VLEs can actually now order all these products. And we want you to grow big and take the products to every Gram Panchayat in the country. Thank you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Rajkishore. Thank you, Rajkishore. Namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.